Pakistan's buzzing port city, Karachi, is the backbone of the economy of the country. A vast majority of the country's population are linked with its various manufacturing and industrial activities and businesses, therefore making it a huge transport hub for the entire country. Sees the flow of people and goods both from inland and overseas. The pressure of traffic that this movement generates necessitated the construction of the 136 kilometers long superhighway in 1970. Good roads are important in reducing distances, and a world-class infrastructure is vital if we are to build a stronger economy. From China to Gwadar and Central Asia. M9 is also a project of road network through which the 136 kilometers Karachi-Hyderabad superhighway would be converted into a motorway. The Prime Minister Mohammad Nawaz Sharif had laid the foundation stone of Karachi-Hyderabad motorway project on 10th March 2015. In the presence of the Prime Minister Mohammad Nawaz Sharif, Chairman NHA, Mr. Shahid Tarar, and Head of FWO Mr. Muhammad Afzal signed an agreement. According to this agreement, which was made through SCORE Company, FWO will execute and operate this project on BOT basis and complete it in 30 months' time. As per agreement, after 25 years, it will be transferred to the NHA. The estimate of this project is 37.5 billion rupees. On this occasion, the Prime Minister said that
मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि आज उस मंसूबे को शुरू किया जा रहा है जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है। मेरी बड़ी शदीद ख्वाहिश थी कि कराची से लाहौर मोटरवे भी जल्द शुरू हो और पाया तकमील तक पहुँचे। आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसका पहला फेज शुरू हो रहा है।
the work on M9 motorway started on October 2015. The conversion of the 136 kilometers 4-lane superhighway into 6-lane motorway. This 30 months project was to be completed on April 2018. But due to special instructions of the Prime Minister, it will be completed by December 2017. In the first step, the work on a 40-kilometer road was initiated, and in January 2017, 50% road is now open to public. It is a difficult task to work on an existing road which is also very busy. The flow of traffic is so high that approximately 30,000 vehicles use this road daily. In addition to this, there were other challenging tasks which were resolved of 2 existing ones. Rehabilitation and extension of 11 bridges. 2 main service areas, each spread over the main area of 260 meters into 350 meters, over 22 acres. Construction and rehabilitation of drainage culverts. Construction of retaining wall. Provide traffic signs. Provide road markings. Provide road illuminations. In constructing the road, FWO is using state-of-the-art machinery. To provide latest facilities, an electronic toll tax system is being introduced. Making the motorway attractive and beautiful, due care and special emphasis is given to security measures. Traffic police will also look after wrong parking, overloading, and overspeeding matters. To control the flow of traffic during the construction of M9 road, modern diversions have been made. Due to industrial goods, the load of the vehicles is exceedingly high, and as such, accidents may occur. A dedicated team for maintenance is proposed to be available for immediate repair work in order to restore traffic. Due to traffic jams and accidents, medical facilities is also available. FWO is setting up a trauma center. The trauma center will provide services like gynae, surgery, OT and X-ray. The center will provide free medical services to the local residents as well. M9 is the part of Karachi-Peshawar Motorway. Construction started in the first phase. Karachi-Hyderabad, Hyderabad-Sakhar, Sakhar-Multan, Multan-Lahore. Onward links are through Peshawar. This gateway will bring great opportunity in enhancing economic, social, and cultural activities within the country. We look forward to the FWO to complete the M9 road network in the given scheduled time frame.